Good morning, students. So now, after the theory session, which we did last week, that is Kathak Nritya Ka Itihas, we will take up a practical session today. So for the practical session, I've done one video and which I'll send it in your group. That is for the beginners. For the beginners in the sense who has joined us this year. Now this video is for the students who are there with me from standard 1, 2, 3 and who are much aware of the basics of Kathak now. Today in the practical session we will do Amad. Now you might be thinking that what is the meaning of Amad? Amad is a Farsi word. Farsi word in the sense it has, as I told you that Kathak has come from Mughal era. So Amad has come from that word. बट उसका हिंदी वर्ड का मतलब है आगमन, आना. तो आमद का मतलब होता है आना, टू कम. सो इन द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ कथक द स्टेज प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट्स विथ आमद. सो टुडे फॉर द स्टैंडर्ड 6th second week online class we do कथक का आमद. And Amad plays a very important role because any program, anything, when you enter the stage, you enter with an Amad. So it is known as Agman, that is Ana. So stage pe Ana. So we start with the basics, Utpatti position. First we are going to do only the legs. Right, left, right, take a back, right, left. Again, see, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, left, right. That is 1, 2, 3. So now these two lines we'll do with the hands. Tha, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay. So after that, when what the hands has to be the hastak. The hastak has to go along with your footsteps. So slowly your hands right and left will open diagonal and right, left, right, slap, right, diagonal position. Now you have to call as if you're calling someone, welcoming someone. Right, left, right, left, right. And basics, right together, left together, right. So we proceed now. After that, after right together, left together, right, we take right hand up opposite to your right leg. Right, back, right, left, right, right, together, left, together. So what we did head, ta, ta, tha, ta, ta, thum, ka, right, left, right, and back. So what we did, right, left, right, and back. After that, you have to do footwork of ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat. So ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat. Again, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat. Right. Mind my position. Diagonal hands. Left. Front leg. Back to your positions. Left, right, back, back, back. One thing, when you do this, right, your palms are open, and left, front with the front foot, your palms are closed, and pull your hands, right, left, right. Similarly, left, right, left, right, left. So now I go this together, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, again, right hand, right leg together, right, back, left, back, right. Okay? So till here, I will repeat it once again. Okay? One, with the hands and legs both together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Come. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Right together. Left together. Right, left, right. Back. Ta, hey, hey, ta, up, hey, hey, ta. Right, left, ta, ta, hey. Up, hey, ta, ta, hey. Right, back, left, back, right. Now, we end this with the tihai because as you know that in Kathak, whatever ends, it ends with the tihai. Whatever it ends, whatever tukda, toda, amad, param, anything you take, it has to have a tihai, then only it will be a proper end. So, we are taking 3 stance, that is 1, 2, right, left, 1, 2, 3, right, left, 1, 2, 3, right, left, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this was the tihai. I repeat the tihai again, and then after that I will do the complete amar, and I think it will be clear. Right, left, right, left, right, wait, right, left, right, left, right. Your left hand is on your shoulders, right hand as if you're holding something, your back, your legs are back, you take a diagonal position second, and the third you end with right, left, right, Anjali Mudra, and swing your arms straight. So this was Amar, children. Now I'll do the complete Amar for you, so that, and I'll do it in slow so that it is easy to understand. So I start with an Uspatti position, straight, body straight. We start going diagonal, slowly opening our hands. Watch this. Dha, ta, ta, thum, ga, dha, ke, di, de, ta, dha, din, ta, dhet, ta, ki, ta, dha, sa, ta, ru, ga, ta, ki, ta, ta, a, ki, ta, ta, ga, di, ga, na, ta, thai, ta, thai, a, thai, ta, thai, thai, ta, thai, ta, thai, thai, tihai, ta, ta, thai, look diagonal, wait, wait, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, wait, and last, thai, thai, ta, ta, ta. So this was the end of your Amar. So you watch this.